So you might be in a situation where you're actually going through and printing something from your particular iPhone, but for some reason, when you're actually going through and printing it, it's not really, printing from your particular device, and it shows that your particular phone that you're printing from or your device that you're printing from, it basically is offline. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here is to go through and just try seeing if there's a way for you to go through and maybe try printing it again. So under this little, page, whenever something you click on, if it's preview, if you're able to share out and then print one more time, that's probably going to be the first thing I'd recommend doing. So tap on the little print button and you want to see if that little print option is basically showing up. If it's still showing that that printer is offline or printer is not available, well, you might have to go through and just try restarting the printer. So go to the printer, right, wherever it is, and unplug it and plug it back in. A lot of the times that might end up fixing it for you, and that's exactly how you go through and fix these types of things. So try unplugging the printer, try plugging it back in, and that's kind of the starting point I'd recommend kind of thinking about. Now, sometimes you might be really far away from that printer. So in a situation like that, you might just have to go through and get closer to the printer. You have to make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. So sometimes if it's a Wi-Fi printer, you will have to connect to the same Wi-Fi connection. So go through, find your Wi-Fi signal, connect to that Wi-Fi connection, and that's another really easy thing you can do that might end up fixing that problem as well. If that still doesn't do it, you can try restarting your phone or your device that might end up fixing it, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix that issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.